Great.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Jen.
Yeah,
Everything go. Watching football as usual.
Yeah, man.
Those days, eh?
Some Spanish league, you know?
Yeah.
English league, we don't want to watch, but them take out the station, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go and look on the Spanish league, you see?
Around.
So yeah, go on here.
Love how the team, the shirt that's posed up, so.
Yeah, man.
Friendly name.
Dream team, man. You hear that?
We had to go
I
Liverpool.
really like.
Now watch some face Liverpool, that's how you go.
You know the thing where
Yeah, but we're there on a quick move, but we have some pampas affair as well too, you know. Yeah. C from Bronx.
Yeah.
Yeah, C from Bronx. Selling some pampas here. And Zuki and Tata.
Yeah.
You know, some pull-ups. So this is how they look like. And bed blanket as well too.
Okay.
So these are the pampas, them some pull-ups from C from Bronx.
Yeah, from Bronx.
Yeah.
Bronx, only for respect, you know.
C, she named C.
C Bronx. Eh?
Yeah, living in Bronx.
Oh, living in Bronx. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, C. Respect for this, eh? Only for blessings and thanks, you see it.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks a lot, you know the thing. That are coming on, you know?
Yeah, coming handy, yeah.
Yeah, coming on, you know?
You know, we have to give thanks. And we have some,
nice, you know?
yeah, we have some bed blankets them there.
Oh, blankets,
yeah, you're spread. You're supposed to know them, man.
I know them, man.
You know them.
I'm ready to try to get some of them, couldn't get them to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You want to come right time, you know?
Right time.
Yeah.
You know them a thing boy, you know, so them will always reach out for you. You see, you search and Father God know the need and make it reach.
Oh, my brother, man, I hate, man, you see.
And you say, right, on time.
Respect and thanks, see.
Yeah.
You see me? Only my blessings for them, because really appreciate it, you see me?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, see.
Yeah, man.
All this by respect from the dream team, you know?
Yeah, true.
Charles, I look out for you as well. You see me, she donate to you already. You probably don't remember the name C. But she did donate to you already, you know?
Yeah.
C from Bronx. Big up yourself every time.
Yeah, man.
Really appreciate it.
Blessing and respect, man, you see?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Up
so,
and running, you know?
well needed. Not to see you right now. So good otherwise though.
Yeah, man, me alright, brother, man. I just want to feel the match and try to build a vibes, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it, because I don't know anything of football, am I? You see?
Yeah, life is great.
Yes.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Liverpool.
No, man, you can't do that, man.
The pool and dry up no more,
Man,
you see.
yeah, man. Yeah, that must start up, I say.
Yeah. See, man, we now fight it. You see me, at least the pool not dry up anymore and have like a water nice.
One love today.
That's how it go. We have to
Man,
win.
you get a one love that he that penalty that thing, that's how it go.
If we can't get penalty in a body, why we can't get it?
No, but that penalty the soft when you get, brother.
Well, food was tough.
Man, you fans, they're lucky to get that penalty.
Yeah, the Liverpool fans, the same thing what you're lucky to hear, you get penalty. You see me? So what we deserve, we get what we deserve. So Jade, you don't know, we're a circle jockey and Tata, you know. And give them for them to go pampas and thing.
Yeah, cool,
I know we have a long journey either way. Just go and build up yourself and go and hold it, see me, yeah? See? Big up yourself.
All God bless you, see you.
Straight.
Alright.
You're not here. Oh, you have hearing problem.
Yeah, hearing problem.
Push out yourself.
Oh. What's on?
I watch TV.
Yeah,
Go and relax. Nah, to hold you up then since you go and relax. Alright. Well, there we have pass through because I have some pampers here. Come outside so the light so them can see. Right. So give them pampers it's from C, living in Bronx.
Okay.
And this DJ is pretty safe.
You can know me higher before you're not the door.
Yeah, so that's them
That chip is
pampers
not the door though.
from C, from Bronx.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can tell her come.
Yeah, thanks very much for seeing. I really need them, you know?
Yeah.
Come more while the urine just,
Yeah.
you get me?
Then there's some pull-ups.
Are the one them you can wash?
No, you can't watch. Just the money you pull up.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, I have to give thanks to you, man.
Yes, man. Thank you very much for seeing.
Yeah, everything. This is a C from Bronx. Yeah, man. So, big up yourself. You're joking. Go and can go back and lie down and watch your TV. So, you go back to Tata and we'll give him some pampers as well, too. Yeah? Alright, then. Bless you. Yeah. Tata.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we're there.
Go and watch 2 TV.
Yeah, we just put the furnace.
Just get up.
You might be remote now.
We look at it.
Yeah. So everything alright though?
Yes, the bar.
I keep up to date.
Yeah.
Left when I could quick run, you know?
Yeah.
Bring some pampers for you.
Yeah.
And the bed blanket one as well too. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's mad and the pampers them chinny, so chinny there as well too.
Yeah, man.
As usual. So these pampers is from C. She living at the Bronx.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's C from Bronx.
See from Bronx.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it. So really give thanks. So really say many thanks and many blessings.
Yeah.
So really appreciate it. So after we lose it,
Yeah.
same can tell you
I
thanks.
appreciate, I
Yes.
appreciate everything that you bring.
Yeah, man.
You want to.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, must have it really, you know, so.
Yeah. Then you have pull-ups.
Yeah, pull-ups.
Yeah, so it's more easier.
Yeah, more easier for him. And then one that way I think you spread up on the sheet.
Sheet,
and
yeah, so you
everything
have
there.
it, yeah. So you
Yeah.
don't mess up the sheet, eh? It's going to be a linen. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little linen.
So, see, many thanks again. So, really appreciate it and thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you so much, C from the Dream Team. Is again. And Tata is here. Well, relax and watching TV. What you say?
Yeah.
Be a TV.
Yeah,
I was watching it all the time.
Eh?
last night, we come in
I
and
was
see
watching it.
Yeah, all the time.
Get up.
We just get up a while ago.
You say, I'm up late to watch TV now. Nah, sleep.
Last night, let me come turn it down for you. Because it kind of a little bit down, 2
Yeah,
hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, man. So, I really enjoy it, man. And I really appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, for real, man. I could come.
Actually, still focus.
Yeah, I'm focused on the TV now, cause
Yeah, I'm telling him what to do when he's in bed. Tell him to the big button. Turn it on. Yeah, man.
I'm getting the cable now.
Yeah, man. We have to go to wire and the thing, you know?
Yeah, same can the cable.
More tune up and more clear.
Yeah.
Watching cricket and that.
Yeah, more. Yeah, cause cricket started now, you know. The
The
IPL start.
IPL, yeah, IPL.
So once you get the cable, and they'll show more clean and prettier.
Yeah.
So that you still get the cable, but they can show more better, you know. You can watch the cricket
Man.
and everything.
Now, I watched our news last night, man. You know what's news? Yeah, kind of
Watch news last night. Yeah, you never stay up too late and can't wake a morning time, you know. I thought I bleach at night now. At least I'm glad, you know, it might be a comfort now. Can you imagine when the place is too quiet, you know? I'm in here alone and so. It's a good little thing.
Really appreciate it, man. Many blessings.
Yeah. Keep him up to date, you know. It's nice. Glad for him. I thought I no focus, probably no more than be a TV, man.
You're gonna focus again.
Probably.
Yeah, focus on the TV now.
It's good.
That's good.
Yeah, man. See you make a readings, you know? So, chill, man. Go and big up yourself, usually, and continue the good work.
Thanks again, Tina, the Dream Team, and thanks to everybody who gave. We just really appreciate it, and many blessings to each and every one of you. Thank you very much.
Every time. Tata, big up yourself, and we'll see you again. You hear me, General?
Yeah, man.
Go on with the faith, see you, man.
Alright, yeah, Tata.
Yeah, man. Alright. You want a small washing machine?
Yeah, I look a small washing machine so I can get for washing clothes and washing things. And I don't know, we have to keep him clean and healthy. Health come first, and a corona, so we have to get more time with our work and the strain. Yeah, so I don't like it, we can get a donation to help me buy one washing machine.
Yeah, for him.
Yeah, so we can get him stuff one wash and things more clean and more presentable.
Yeah. I even want a small one.
Yeah, man, I want a small one.
A small one. So I ask the one of them to help you up in a situation where we can help out Tata to get one washing machine.
Yeah, so we can wash film and stuff. Because it's rough when we're not there, the things them pile up. Yeah, so I know.
And then again, the cost now to make people for wash them as well.
Right. You see, when you look the things, them are going to pile up on So forget that, the ease off, the little pressure from me and thing. You know, we have to keep him clean, you know.
Of course.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. And you know, so the sheet and the stuff, them have to wash.
Regular. So then them have to wash regular.
So really appreciate it if we get one and things. So kind of make the work look more light and easier.
There's a donor out there who will definitely reach out for your machine for Tata. There's a whole lot of God-bless people on the program. We ask them to reach out for your washing machine, like a small one for Tata. So you can get them to belong to them, wash more often now. Ease have a little pressure for you.
Yeah, man.
That's really have your work. So you understand, so you have a tired as well. You have a mother where you look after as well.
Yes, mother, you have to look after mother. And we have to help look after him. Father God will provide, you know? Yes. Something will happen. Yeah, man. So we give thanks. Many blessings. So big up the donor them once more. Being on this journey for Tata. Give thanks to Master for the TV. Yes, and Sonia for the radio, you know? And Tata in bed there and in mattress. So we have to give thanks to Chinya and Big and to always been there for him. Appreciation. And give thanks to the Almighty. Amen. Never leave him out. So Tata, once more again, you see it, yeah? Alright then.
Yes, man.
Come on,
Where's your Prince?
Yeah, man.
Prince out. Marvin. Dream Team. Alright.
We are talking about football and play the foot and some of them come on, see there. Come on, Capman. Stop run to the ball, my lord.
What do I fit, man? What do I talk about?
No, you're too shy, man.
Yo, warm up, Delga. Delgado. Delgado. Warm up, boss. Warm up, boss. Warm up. Big bad Delgado. Warm up. Yo, Dream. Dream.
Yeah, sure.
Ali, go on, Ali. Go on, Rasta. I am it. Stand up for your ball, Magic. Stand up for your ball, Magic.
I'm being fast, so what you say? You come pay me and say, how much? Yeah, I say the same. Check up that.
Shut your take it up.
Look where belly bias, look where belly bias.
No, it could be better. It could be better.
That is the country, 3-4.
Man, them fit still. Yeah. But them should have the better than that.
See next time.
We have to come prepare. Where we done? Yeah, you go on, you know. But you go on.
Get a one goal, but we never finish it.
Yeah, I say it go.
That participate in goal, I'll play good, that's how I play.
Yeah, man, I say it go. I sign up for win. Yeah. Whoa. Fish are fried.
Yeah, man, you know.
See there. Social. And tea from Waterhouse.
Yeah.
In the UK.
Social and tea from Waterhouse in the UK.
Yeah, them tell must eat good.
Yeah, man, straight.
Big up. Yeah, man, big up Crucial and tea from Waterhouse.
Crucial and tea from Waterhouse.
In the UK.
Only for respect.
So I must buy some fish for the dream team.
Yeah, man.
And some suncar meal.
Yeah,
on
man.
the side.
Oh.
You see what? The ice.
Yeah, man, stop right here.
A drip.
Dripping, you know.
Dripping.
Yeah, man, see you ready now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
And the fish are fried. Fry and steam.
Yeah, man. So, steam down there and fry and that's put them on top, so.
Yeah. Grill sauce, everything.
Everything there already. So, just a fry, look about your dinner, come to me. So, I'll fry it tomorrow, so, you know. Yeah, man.
Oh, we look at rice and beef on the side.
Look at that, you know.
We look at that.
Look at that on the side, you know. Look at that, yeah, man. That one take off, look on your sweets.
Yeah.
Push, then you.
Crucial and tea.
Crucial and tea. That's it. So, yeah, do it.
Yeah. Love how the fish look.
Crucial and tea. know? See that?
Yeah, man.
Proper, I smell it.
Big up yourself, Crucial and T from Waterhouse in the UK.
Straight, that's it.
So we love to do some fish and fish, yeah.
I'm gonna start sharing and putting up on the plate and then with a better view now.
Yeah.
See the size, you know?
Yeah.
Whoa!
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 See the sun come here now. Ready. Ready here now.
Ready up, man. Ready up, man.
Sun come here and red peas.
Yeah, man. Smooth. Smooth, you know?
Smooth sail.
Yeah, man. Don't think now for the green peas, you said one chew night, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Tones about a lucky night, you know?
Yeah. So we never get the green peas from the side, so we get the red peas.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, see there. Bobby, you know what Tifa, Crucial and Tifa Waterhouse, so him say, yo, dream team must see some fish with some sun caramel, you see me and say?
Yeah, man, I said that's the thing that
Big up
man.
and deep, you know.
Yeah, man, big up yourself,
Big
Crucial.
up yourself, Crucial, man, you know.
And T.
Crucial, just big up yourself,
That's
man.
love, you know.
Yeah.
Social and tea, only for respect. Only for honor, you want to do this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Whoa!
Go,
You do this.
straight.
Yeah, man.
See there. I don't know if I have a drink, see me after food, yeah. So the peas there night a ball out.
Yeah, man. That's bad, man. You know? This is the proper part, you know?
The pepper for you know.
Look.
Yeah.
Proper part, man.
The man for this man.
Yeah, man, so I go down now, take a look at okra, everything down the pumpkin and to the lip on top of the city. I'm start sharing, start level now, so
That's the same thing.
that's everything I want. So the next half an hour come back, you know.
Yeah.
And that's all it is.
Straight.
Boy, I'll come back to the pot, you know.
Come, man. Come, man. Man.
Right.
Yeah, man. Try for them people, you know, that's on the big phone and eyes, you know.
Yeah.
I'm done on the video, yeah.
Yeah, man, so. Yeah, man, you see? All of New York, you hear that? I'm a New York City, them a fry fish. Season them up proper and leave them bust it.
Yeah.
New York style, this is from Jamaica style, so you have a lot of spice up there, you know? Yeah. And put that, the green.
Lots of spice.
Look at them trees that you got, like, two man get come get that one there, you know? Yeah, man. Only for love and only for respect, you know? Only for honor. Remember them,
Crucial. And tea.
only for respect in Crucial. Come like Sammy, you know? Crucial, you know? Keep up, man, I watch. Listen,
Crucial, Sammy.
yeah, man, Crucial Sammy, man, you know? So Crucial look like steel fish and wait, you look for
And fried fish and sun calm, you know, you see what everything there.
yeah, man,
The rice and fish on the side of the cider.
whoa,
You see me?
whoa. Yeah, man.
Yeah. The peas them a ball out.
Holy for butter too.
It's a whole heap of butter. And the fried rice that.
Yeah, man, used to find a slap a couple days ago, you know?
Slap way.
Yeah, man. Time I come, I have holy for, you know? Let me get some more.
You see this right them a ball out.
Yeah, man. Watch
One
the
boy,
fish,
a long fish is a fry.
yeah, man, last body to fry, man. Yeah, man. So, don't already the last one that. Okay. I use hard, man, brother, with man, you know, man. The thing's so alright, man. Since I've done this now, they start line up, off the line up, and get you, don't forget you, you know?
Yeah.
You feel me? Yeah, man, Sammy and Crucial, man.
Crucial and tea.
Yeah, man, Crucial and tea. Only for love and respect.
Yeah. Holy for maximum respect. How about that? The butter bean.
Let's just stay till the next day, man.
Yeah, next year.
A couple of come out fishing, come on, you know, steam it down before the coming, man.
Yeah.
I ain't coming out, steam it down, you know?
Remember tomorrow we have a guest, you know.
Oh, yeah, that's what you know.
We have a guest tomorrow, rolling come set the team. Special have a gift for you as well. And special gonna eat whatever you have cooked.
Alright.
Special come for the national dish. Anyway.
National list.
Yeah, man.
And then we'll cook tomorrow then.
Yeah, man. I say show on my national list.
What is the
Fish on
national?
the side.
Yeah.
So what is the national?
And then we'll come in my curry chicken back and white rice, man.
Yeah.
Curry chicken back and white rice, you know, you never know.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa. They said the eyes are drip today.
I'm only for chickens, you know. Yeah, on this man, you know.
Yeah.
Cutting the camera, 18 carats, you know.
Yes, yeah.
The 36, you know. Yeah, I'm get 36, man. New York, all of New York, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
New York City. I love it.
Whoa.
Oh, New York. Twice.
Twice.
New York, you know.
Eyes are drip today.
Twice, you know.
The one thing with the fish, you know, the eye, always look for an eye.
Aye, yeah, man, that man don't know. That's why I have to eat eye to get more, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, see more, you know.
Yeah, so the eye, always look for an eye and eye.
Yeah, man.
Oh, man.
I said the eye. But I'm eat eye, you know. The fish eye can't see me. It's far.
Yeah.
The next eye now, you know.
3D eye. So you have two when you get one, make it three.
So the one
Yeah,
that we get
3D.
is a 3D turn now.
Yeah.
I want the glass itself, so that's all I different side. And the dark. Whoa! Yeah, all them 3 eye, them can't see bright in the dark, man. Yeah, man. 3 eye, man, you know.
Eye, man. Yeah. Looking good. Big up yourself, T and Social from Water.
So we done, you know.
In the UK.
Okay.
Maximum respect.
Only for respect and maximum, yeah. Yeah, man. Only for respect, you know.
Don't call me laugh. Yeah. Fire red from the cold stove. If there's a good day. You see me? Yeah, we're in so far.
Show you all exactly the man.
Yeah, what a vibe, man. Can't start it. Whoa. Yeah, what a vibes, man. Cause I don't know, so we there a bit of drink today, yeah? Crucial and tea from Water, so you're the team if you eat some fried fish and ton cornmeal on the side.
Yeah.
You know what you think, go? Man, they mix match today, but you can't wait. So see, so that drink here from tea and Crucial from Waterhouse in the UK. You see me? Say sure.
And Crucial from UK.
Yeah.
Don't know anything. You see me, I say big up on yourself, man. You see me, I say, you know, say a ton cornmeal, grew up on it.
Yeah.
One turn cornmeal, you know, so I don't know.
One team.
One team.
Dream team. Hey, yo, so we are for trophy, grabbers. We are celebrating winning. 3 points, get disqualified.
Get it.
Dream team.
I tell you what, 9 man. I tell you what, 9 man. What that? 9 man. Come on, man.
Governor, they must out outside the next match too.
Yeah, chef, where say we go in the kitchen?
Up and running, man, you hear that?
See that? So I go in the kitchen now.
Enter ready, man.
Ready you know, man.
Yeah, man.
So it's a steamed fish, fried fish,
And done car.
ton cornmeal.
Oh.
See it's there. Alright then.
Man, those are shearings, you know.
Yeah. Like Kieran.
Yeah, man, those are shearings. Yeah, so don't care with people, so we share food, you know.
Yeah,
All
shit.
of all for respect, man. That come in.
Think of yourself, Crucial and tea.
Crucial and tea.
See that? The first one this.
Steam and fry, I want to buy your one, no.
Anything. Yeah man, the fry.
Want to fry?
Yeah man, the both of them. If I start thinking.
Big one, man.
Whoa, Dada.
See there?
See there?
See there?
You have to say arm. You have to
See the Baja?
see that. Right, man. Yo, I turn cornmeal in it. Yo,
Don't thief the fish there.
pick up the door and them, so I go and turn cornmeal nice on there. So I think so. Fish are laugh for doing it.
Yeah, mouth wide open.
Yeah, man. Same thing. One thing. Same thing.
Alright, Bramwell, see there?
Oh, long time.
Well deserved. I'm able to start yet.
See it? Show it.
Yeah, man, you know.
See it there?
Yeah, man.
We got rice and peas on the side too. Yeah, man. That goes from my side to there.
Yeah, man, you on your own too?
Yeah, man, on the side.
Alright.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.